On this episode of the Rohit Show, I have talked about my friendship of my whole life around when I was in my class 5 and when I was in my class 10th and 12th after my graduation. I have gone through so many phases of the friendship. I believe you are also too. So in this episode, I talk about all those nuances and my experiences, and you definitely relate with it. So, so some of my bad experiences I also talked about in this episode, and this episode is all about a segment of 20 minutes where I talk about these kinds of relationship, what is a friendship, what is mean, and why people left you, and why it is like a medicine, why it has a expiry date, and why it changed. So all of the questions, if you're going through with your life, if you're going through with your some phases of your life, so you will connect with me. So let's enjoy this episode. The episode will be coming soon after a few days. So it's all about this next story and next part in the episode 2, but episode 1 is all about my experiences, small bit experiences. It's not only me, it's also you. So let's keep listen this episode. दोस्ती क्या होती है और दोस्ती का जो मतलब होता है वो होता क्या है, आज के इस एपिसोड में हम बात करेंगे। कुछ मैं आपको स्टोरी बताऊंगा अपने लाइफ से रिलेटेड, जो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है और जो मेरी एक नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव एक थॉट है, एक माइंडसेट है टुवर्ड्स द फ्रेंडशिप, वो कैसे है और उसको मैं कैसे लेके देखता हूँ। और आई बिलीव डैट मैक्सिमम लोगों के साथ ये एक्सपीरियंस होता है। तो चलिए मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ अपनी स्टोरी को। व्हेन आई वाज इन माय क्लास अराउंड क्लास 5, ये 2005 या 4 की बात है, जब मैं क्लास 5 और 4 में पढ़ता था। तो उस समय जो फ्रेंडशिप होती है, फ्रेंडशिप मतलब आप बच्चे रहते हो तो आपको फ्रेंडशिप के क्या मतलब होता है, मतलब आप खेलते हो बच्चों के साथ, आप यू जस्ट, आपके लिए जो दुनिया आपकी ये होती है ना कि आप स्कूल से आए, सब कुछ घर पे रखे, फिर आप खेलने निकलने चले गए। तो ये आपकी एक स्टोरी होती है। जो फ्रेंड सर्किल होती है, बस उनके बीच में आप खेलते हो, कूदते हो। जब आप क्लास 4 में जाते हो, वही सब होते हैं, वही एक ही प्लेस पे। अगर आप एक गांव में रह रहे हो तो गांव के लोग रहते हैं, सिटी में रहते हो तो सिटी के ही बच्चे होते हैं, 4 5 6 होते हैं जो आपकी क्लोज फ्रेंडशिप होती है उनसे। उसको आप क्लोज फ्रेंडशिप बोलते हो या फ्रेंडशिप बोलते हो। जैसे जैसे आप ग्रो करते हो, आप अगली क्लास में आते हो, आपकी एज ग्रो होती है। एज ग्रो होने के साथ साथ आप मैच्योर होते हो, आप चीज़ों को लेके, लाइफ को लेके आपका एक अलग नज़रिया होता है, एक अलग आउटलुक होता है, आप उसको अलग पर्सपेक्टिव से देखते हो, राइट। ये कुछ मेरे साथ भी हुआ। और जब मैं क्लास 8 में गया तो जिस गांव में मैं रहता हूँ, गांव में लगभग 60 या रहता था, 60 या 70 के आसपास लोग रहते हैं। और छोटा सा गांव है उत्तर प्रदेश में। और वहाँ पे मेरा बस यही एक कहने का पॉइंट है कि थोड़ा सा मैं आगे पीछे सोच रहा हूँ, बट मैं यही बताना चाहता हूँ कि व्हाट आई एक्सपीरियंस इन द एज ऑफ 25 and when I was near about 10 years old, yeah, 8 year old, the friendship, the meaning of friendship, and the friends stood, the people who were called to my friend on that time, right now they are a stranger to me, just like I don't know to him या to them. सो ये चेंज होती रहती है। आप क्लास 8 में आते हो तो आपका अलग होता है, क्योंकि नीड होती है एक दूसरे की नीड होती है, हेल्प होती है, ज़रूरत होती है, एक इमोशनल हेल्प होता है, एक चीज़ों की ट्रांसफ़र होता है, आप एक दूसरे की चीज़ों को यूज करते हो, समझते हो एक दूसरे को। लेकिन व्हेन आई वाज अगेन इन माई क्लास 10th एंड 12th, तो कुछ फ्रेंडशिप रहती थी, दोस्त अलग बनते हैं आपकी, वो चेंज होती है। इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ इवोल्यूशन। वो चेंज होती है, वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, जैसे आप मूव करते हो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, नहीं ऐसी चेंज होती रहती है। सो व्हेन आई वाज इन माय क्लास 11th एंड 12th, सो वो एक ऐसा टाइम ऑफ पीरियड था जहाँ से मुझे डिसाइड करना था कि व्हाट आई शुड डू इन माय लाइफ, एंड दे had to also decide what they want to do their life. They choose the another route, I choose another field and another career. So now we divided, we just busy in our life. I used to think about myself, it's my fault or it's their fault that whatever kinds of relation we have in a friendship, what does it means it is has a time of period, कि क्या एक इन सब दोस्ती की एक टाइम ऑफ पीरियड होता है और उस टाइम ऑफ पीरियड में ही चीज़ें ऐसे होती हैं या ऐसे दिखती हैं। तो ये क्वेश्चन जो होता है बार बार मेरे दिमाग में आता रहता है। आई नेवर फाइंड आउट which साइड इज़ रॉन्ग एंड which साइड इज़ राइट। सो एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स मैटर व्हाट्स योर स्टेटस, योर आइडेंटिटी, आपकी आइडेंटिटी क्या है, आपकी स्टेटस क्या है, आप क्या करते हो, आप समाज में क्या आपकी इज्जत है, क्या रिस्पेक्ट है। थिंग्स आर चेंज, द थिंग्स विच आर यूज टू अप्लाई व्हेन यू आर nearly 8 years, 10 years old, 13 years old, but things has to gonna change with the time when you are used to about 26 and 25 years old. It's about your income, it's about your identity in society, it's about each and everything. So it's not about what the person you are. You are that person when you are that person in the class 10th or in class 8th with those friends. But it is important right now for the society, for their family, for themselves also. Their outlook has been changed. Your outlook has been changed towards those people. Now you have your another friend circle, these people have their another friend circle. So everybody is busy in their life, right? And this is the goddamn truth. Now my question is that why these childhood friendship, where you can say these kinds of friendships are has a validity, has an expiry date. In my case, I used to experience this thing. Why is it like that? So I write my journal, so I start writing. So I write all the things, each and everything, who's wrong and who's mistakes. I used to figure out that what is the exact reason behind that. So it has a limited time, it has a duration. So I figure it out that when you are growing in your life, your priority has been changed, right? When you are a child, your priority is all about playing games, and you just chilled out, you just don't care about too much about life, too much about career, too much about everything, each and everything. You just focus on your present moment. You just 24 hours, yes, you have to you are in another world, in another zone. But when you face the reality after completing your 12th or your graduation, when you face the reality, everything has to gonna be changed. And change is the truth of nature. Like nature has been changed, because that's why we have four seasons, summer, winter, autumn and spring. Like friendship has the four seasons. So you can take that when you are in your childhood, you have autumn, and when you become in your adulthood, you are in your age about 18 and 14 and 15, so you are in winter and something else. So when you go, you're 25 and 26, So you are somewhere, you are in another zone. So right now I'm being alone, and I'm enjoying being my loneliness, you can say. So there's too much freedom. You can do whatever you can do. But always when I was alone, I used to think about my past, these things, and my brain always used to ask me that question. So if it is gonna do it, if that friendship will gonna be end, so you do not have to that close. You should not be that close with that person. So it's haunt me every time. Why it is happening? It is happening not only me, it is happening, I think, across many people on my age and everything. So what the solution about these kinds of issues and these kinds of problems? The solution is very simple. When you are alone, so either you have to face the loneliness is just like in my experience, it's just like it's just like a period of time, just like a pain. So when whatever your is going on your mind, whatever is going on your brain, if you are able to able to understand what is going on in your brain and your each and everything, when you figure out what is actually happening with you, so everything is just like a calm water in a pond or in a river. So you just focus on yourself, then you realize what is the importance of loneliness and alone thing. And when you think about those past memories, so those past memories is just like wants to ask to a question that if this is gonna be the happen, so you don't have to invest that time with them. But as we know, there is a quote and there is a statement like human is a social animal. So we are a social animal, and we need friends, we need we need people to talk, we need people to share our feelings and share our things. But unfortunately, due to various things, we are not doing that kind of thing. Is used to be come from our family, our bonding with our relatives. But time and time, when you are on a purpose, or when you are on a goal, on a mission, so you have to sacrifice on those things. So when you sacrifice on those things, so you have to face these kinds of things in your life, like loneliness and other things you can add it. So is it good or bad? Of course is it good. It's not a bad thing. Water is good and bad. Everything is good and bad in this universe. But the point is matter is that how you look at that thing, how you look at what your perspective, and how you going to tackle with that kind of circumstances which comes in front of you. Will you going to give an excuse, or will you going to do whatever you want to do? Is the question which comes in front of you. So this was my story. So it has been so many drastic phases, from class 1 to 5 and 5 to 10 and then 10 to 12 and 12 to graduation. There are so many people comes and gone. Right? For me they are like a stranger, and it also apply on me. For those, I'm also, maybe they are feeling the same thing. So there is a huge kind of miscommunication and misunderstanding. He's thinking something else, I'm thinking something else. So there is no you do not have to blame here. You can't blame somebody, like put your finger, okay, because of this and because of that this is happening, and these people are responsible for that thing which I'm suffering right now. You can't say like that. So maybe you are responsible for that, maybe they are responsible for that. So now I'm going to tell you about a specific story which has happened with me in 2016 when so around 2017. So I met a person where I used to live, and as I said, human is a social animal. We need people to talk, we need people on the same age group. If you talk with somebody and if your and their vibes are matching each other, so maybe you want more time. It's like a kind of you can take kind of intoxication, right? Something. So you need that company, you need that thing, so you hang around with them. So again and again, after expending time with the person, you become personal, you cross the boundary and you cross the thing. So you know something about his life, and you know everything about what is going is his family, everything. So you just know each other because of some reason, and you are telling your whatever you're thinking in your mind. Like I used to think a lot, I used to tell my dreams with those people, and they are also used to tell me, but I was very respectable towards them. They were also, but recently we decided to move on their life. And especially it was not we, it was some indirect feeling with these individuals, that everyone has been decided that they have to move on their life, and they want to focus on whatever they are doing in their life. So that's I think good for everyone. If there is no understanding and things are not going which before whatever going, so it's a very good decision to move on their life. So now you are thinking that what would happen with that kinds of friendship. I used to always think a lot about those things, because when you spend your lot of time, it's just like a breakup. When you are in a relationship with your boyfriend or girlfriend relationship, or you has a kind of bonding with your friends and something else, and if something happened, so after that you has to think about yourself, and your gut feeling always telling you that something is wrong in that thing, but nobody is. I'm just trying to tell you that there is I research a lot about those things, and I find out lately there's a what is toxic friend and what is fake friends, like that. So when I started reading and when I started researching about that, so I find out maximum points were indicating in my case. So I was so confused about that. What should I do next? So I decided to test on that kinds of friendship. So I tested them, each and every one, and they get failed, and then I decided, so this is the high time I have to move on that friendship and that so-called relationship. And I take it as a positive way, because in a life when you are growing in your life, you come to meet so many personality type of people, and so you get some memories. You get some past, you get some happiness, unhappiness, you get a memory, a experience, and I think it will help you with your another kind of relationship or a friendship. If you're going to, it will help you. So your past experience is basically helping you with getting a new kinds of relationship. So just like that. And this is, I think, a story of so many people because of my age, and but I'm a little emotional person, so I was just telling you. So this is my story, and I will keep on telling with upcoming, so with few episode. This is episode 1 of this story, and I'll tell you briefly and in detail about each and everything, and what you should do if you have been on those circumstances. So signing off for this episode. I'll be coming with second episode with a second story with a proper problem and the solutions. Bye bye.